Welcome to apartment 3 at 921 West Berry Street. Apartment number 3, we just got it back. This is not done to the nines. I'm simply just stepping in so that I have something, anything to kind of show. So it's a studio apartment and it's got a huge living space in it. That's a decorative only fireplace. I mean, this room is massive, 20 feet by 16 feet. I mean, just massive kind of a thing. I think at one time it might have been a dining room. Who knows? Probably not. It was probably a bedroom. There is, let's see here, huge room. Here's your views. Oh, then I picked the worst window in the world. I'll pick a better one in a minute, I promise. Decorative only fireplace, really sharp. Looks like it's slate, actually. And then it does have a closet. Are you ready for this? Yeah, that is some sweet stuff right there. Lots of shelves. Again, we just got it back. I'm just kind of trying to market so that I've got some kind of marketing material so that I can put it up and kind of let people see what it looks like. So huge room. Right now that door's screwed shut. It goes out into the hallway. Then you've got, I'm gonna say this is your pantry, kind of your walk-through pantry. Fridge, sink, stove. I mean, everything a little kitchen needs, right? And then off to the bathroom, it's got a clawfoot tub. And oh, look at that, that's lovely. And an on-the-wall prison sink, toilet. I mean, it's got everything a bathroom needs. Does have the shower surround. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but this is what it looks like right now so that you can have an idea of it. So it's a good-sized studio. Oh, I meant to give you a better view. Let's pick a clean window. That's the new hospital. And then this is right down Berry Street, and that's Sheridan Court. Right, let me get a finger there. Hi, Sheridan Court. So, I mean, we're on the heart of West Berry. We're in the heart of downtown. We're in the heart of West Central. This is a fun space. You do pay your own electric. You do pay your own gas. You've got a gas-forced furnace. You also are going to pay the $25 water, whatever the water sewer fee is by the time you watch this. Currently, it's 25 bucks, but look. All right, thank you for watching.